Hello, scholars. I'm Benjamin Franklin, your guide on this mathematical journey. Today, we're going to delve into the world of derivatives, a fundamental concept in calculus. I assure you, this is going to be an exciting adventure. So, let's get started. Derivative functions. Let's begin by understanding some key concepts related to derivatives. 1. Definition. The derivative function, denoted as f prime of x, is defined as the limit, as h approaches 0, of the difference quotient. 2. Differentiability. A function f of x is said to be differentiable at a point a, if the derivative at that point, f prime of a, exists. 3. Notations. The derivative of a function can be expressed in several ways: f prime of x, dy over dx, y prime, or the derivative with respect to x of f of x. Now, let's apply these concepts to an example problem. We are asked to find the derivative of the function f of x equals x squared minus 2x. Let's start by writing down the function and its derivative. First, we substitute f of x plus h in f of x into the derivative function. Next, we expand x plus h squared minus 2 times x plus h. Then, we simplify the expression. After that, we factor out h from the numerator. We then cancel the common factor of h. Finally, we evaluate the limit. Now, let's summarize our solution. The derivative of the function f of x equals x squared minus 2x is f prime of x equals 2x minus 2. Great job, everyone! We've successfully navigated through the concept of derivatives and applied it to a practical example. I hope this journey has been as exciting for you as it was for me. Remember, practice is key in mastering these concepts. So, keep practicing and keep exploring. Until next time, happy learning!